This skincare duo I have been using on my face for almost a month now and wala akong planong itigil siya. I did a video a few weeks ago about the serum which I super love. So ngayon naman, I'll talk more about the moisturizer and why I love it. For me, yung star ingredients talaga nito is the bakuchiol and the snail mucin. Parang napaka-basic. Gusto ko talaga siya. Like, it's so basic, but it has the best ingredients that my skin could ever need. I don't know kung nag-exaggerate ako, pero honestly, sobrang okay nito. Now, snail mucin. Let's talk about snail mucin. Ano ang benefits ng snail mucin sa balat natin? Snail mucin is good for hydration as well as wound healing na napaka-importante lalo na kung acne-prone skin kakagaya ko and you also like to pick on your pimples kahit na sinasabi laging huwag niyo ipipik yan, hindi natin matitis. Like this one, I pick this. Yan. So, kinonceal ko lang siya ng konti ngayon kasi syempre meron siyang red mark, nagsiscab. That's so common sa akin. Lagi akong may scab somewhere on my face. But this, because of the snail mucin, talagang bumibilis yung healing process and meron din siyang effect for me on hyperpigmentation in the sense na hindi naman siya yung parang overnight, wala na, parang flesh color na ulit, ganyan. Meron pa din, pero yung mas subtle na yung kulay niya, parang hardly visible. Like, without makeup, okay lang, kita mong meron, pero hindi na siya yung parang red na red or dark na dark, scab na scab. Hindi. Parang it really heals up my skin so good, so well. Snail mucin also boosts collagen production. So, at my age, importante talaga sa akin yung merong nagbo-boost ng collagen. So, sometimes I even take collagen supplements kasi nga, yung mga wrinkles, yung hindi na siya kasing supple as in my teens or my 20s. Ngayon naman, bakuchiol. Bakuchiol, kung hindi niyo nalalaman, is like retinol. It's a plant-derived retinol. Retinol is the best ingredient for anti-aging basically. Kaya lang, maraming forms ng retinol talagang hindi kaya i-tolerate ng skin kasi sobra talaga siyang irritating, prone ka sa purging, ganyan. Especially myself, like bihira ako makahanap ng retinol that really is mild enough for my skin. I have very sensitive skin. Sensitive in the sense na hindi naman ako yung nag-flare up na namumula, pero tinitigyawa talaga ako pag masyadong matapang yung ingredients. So, bakuchiol works for my skin. So, ito na ngayon yung pinaka-retinol ko, yung bakuchiol. Hindi ako gumagamit ng medical grade na retinol. What does bakuchiol do also? Sinstimulate niya yung skin cell turnover. So, yun din yung ginagawa ng retinol. Pinapabilis niya yung pag-turnover ng skin. Kasi as we age, sobrang bumabagal siya compared to in our youth. So, ibig sabihin, pag mabagal yung turnover, mas marami tayong mga dead skin na nandyan, binablock yung pores natin, and at the same time, hindi ganun ka-luminous yung appearance mo, syempre, dahil luma na yung skin, kumbaga hindi siya nagre-refresh. Bakuchiol also helps with fine lines and wrinkles, and me, honestly, like, meron na akong laugh lines, meron din akong, especially when I smile, meron na tayong wrinkles dyan. So, I really am trying to help my skin to age more gracefully. Siyempre, hindi naman may iwasan. Nagbabago talaga yung quality ng skin natin. But with ingredients like this, talagang na-help niya na i-soften yung itsura ng fine lines and wrinkles, and at the same time, yun, i-slow down ng konti yung process ng pag-age ng balat. This one also improves the overall texture or appearance ng skin ko. Na-realize ko kasi pag hindi ko to ginagamit, tapos nag-makeup ako, parang halatang halata yung mga bumps ko sa skin, parang nagka-crack yung makeup ko. But when I use this, talagang ibig sabihin well moisturized yung skin ko. Mas maganda talaga yung lapat ng makeup. That's why I love this. Okay, get nyo na to kasi talagang it's so good.